got here? A little snook maybe? Yep. Got the snook. Oh man, just went right into the net and I didn't pull it out. There we go. Alright, so today I brought 2 cameras and only 1 SD card. So I'm not going to bother switching to the front view unless I get a really good fish. I'll just keep it on the first person view for average to small fish like this. If I get a really good one, we'll move the camera up front there and give you a good look at it. So we start off the morning with a nice little snook. Smile for the camera, buddy. Let's get a release. Over here on the sunny side. See ya. Trout maybe? No, I think it's another snook the way it's running towards me. Oh no, it's a nice trout. I think we're gonna get a slam today, guys. I've been fishing for half an hour and we've already knocked off snook and trout. And that's a nice trout too. Wow. Still pretty green. It's about an 18 or 19. 18 inches on the nose. Beautiful trout. Look at him in the sun. I love these things. Look at those greens and purples on his back. So beautiful. Let's get him back in the water. Today the only fish I'm planning to keep is if I catch a slot snook, which isn't a huge chance, but that's what I'm after today. Off you go, buddy. Oh yeah, we got a good fish. I don't know if that's a big snook or a big red. I think it's a big snook. Oh man, it's a monster trout. Holy cow. Holy cow, that's a big trout. Oh my goodness. So we can net him. Oh my goodness. Oh no. In my net. Yes! Oh man, that's a nice trout. Woo, that's an over 20. Oh my goodness. Yes! Wow! 23 1/4, guys. Wow, what a beautiful trout. I thought I had a snook. That is a beautiful trout. Not my PB. I've caught a 26 1/4 up in Pine Island Sound, and I've caught a 24 1/2 here actually. But this is one of my best. Top 3, I think. Let's get him with the front camera. We're going to put him in the water for a minute. Look at that trout. Beautiful fish. Man, am I excited. It's been a while since I got a whopper like this. Look at that fat fish. What a beauty. Whenever you're ready. Turn it towards the current this way. There it goes. Oh man, what a fish. Okay, we had to move to find the reds, but I think we might have done it. No, that's feeling more like a jack. Yep. Jackety jack, jack, jack. I was just thinking to myself, I have not caught any trash fish today. Careful what you wish for. Easy boy. Jack. See ya. I accidentally stopped recording it. Got the red. Looks like a slot too. It's gonna be close. 17 or 18. I think it's 17. Stop it. They always look bigger in the water. Pretty fish though. Yeah, he's 17 and a quarter. $17 and a quarter inch red. Pretty spot on his body there. 3 tail spots on that side. To complete the slam. Oh. Got a snook on. A little bit better than the last one. Not a slot, but okay, so we just caught snook, redfish, and trout right on this same little 20-yard stretch of shore. Whoa, that's a decent one. Gotcha. Got a 20, 21. Not the 30-incher we're looking for, but I'll take it. Just barely hanging on. $20 and a half. Not a bad little guy. Okay, so in my last video I pointed out that it seems like my shorter trips are more productive, and that was the case today. I ended up with a bunch of snook, a bunch of trout. I didn't even film most of the smaller ones, but out of those fish I got one decent snook and one really nice trout. I haven't caught a trout like that in quite a while, so I was pretty excited about that. And we ended up getting one redfish towards the end of the session there. So we got the slam on a very short, quick trip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.